All right, let's see what's inside this box. I've been waiting to try this out. Look at this, Access 20 plus AI tools in one workspace. The packaging looks sleek and professional. Here's the main dashboard, super clean interface. First impression, everything's organized and easy to find. Let's start with the image generator tool. Just upload a photo, pick a style, and boom, instant results. These AI images look stunning and totally on brand. Switching over to video creation now. Drag, drop, edit. Seriously, it's that simple. The AI even suggests scene transitions for you. Now let's check out the 3D model designer. I'm not a 3D pro, but this feels intuitive. Just a few clicks and I have a 3D mock-up. Everything's running smoothly, no lag or crashes. All tools are integrated in one workspace. No more switching between apps or tabs. Let's dive into some advanced features. Batch editing saves me tons of time. Brand Kit lets you set logos and colors globally. Templates are modern and fully customizable. Collaboration tools make teamwork seamless. Share projects instantly with your team. I love the real-time feedback feature. Security settings are clear and robust. Let's talk about workflow efficiency. Everything is centralized, no more lost files. Notifications keep me updated on project changes. The learning curve is surprisingly low. AI suggestions actually improve my designs. I can export in multiple formats, huge plus. The platform feels fast even with big files. Support resources are built right in. Now who is this really for? Content creators will love the creative freedom. Marketing pros can streamline campaigns easily. Design teams will appreciate the collaboration tools. If you want everything in one place, this is it. Honestly, I don't see any major downsides. Ready to level up your creative workflow? Check out this all-in-one AI toolkit on AppSumo now.